Popular Xiaomi Band 3 has sold more than 1 million units as of June 2019. But in July 2019, the Mi Band 4 was released. Now the question is the Mi Band 4 worth the upgrade of your Mi Band 3? This is Eric from Smartwatch Authority, and we have another video for you with the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. I didn't get the Mi Band 3 because I didn't like the beveled screen on it. Perhaps they got feedback about that and they made it flat on the Mi Band 4. And the first time I saw it, I said to myself, this is it. Plus, now it has a colored AMOLED screen and that added to the wow. For the design, we give it a 4.5 out of 5. We didn't give it a 5 of 5 because we feel it can still be improved. Now, if you have any suggestions on how the Mi Band 4 could be improved, please let us know in the comments below. The Mi Band 4 now comes with a 0.95-inch AMOLED colored screen with a 120 by 240 resolution. We give the display a 4 out of 5. You will love the resolution of the screen as it is very bright and that you can change the watch face. But we think Xiaomi can still improve on the screen size and visibility of the screen under strong sunlight. The Mi Band 4 screen struggles when it is under strong sunlight, even at the brightest settings. But under low light, the display is great. The Mi Band 4 is not only good on the outside, but it comes with great features. It can track running, walking, treadmill, cycling, workout exercises, swimming, and also your sleep. It can also send you notifications if you have been sedentary for a certain time. With the Mi Band 4, they have improved the algorithm for the fitness tracking to make it more accurate. This also comes with the smart features such as message, email, calendar notifications, and it can also send notifications to your phone if you misplace it. It comes with a great app that tracks your fitness data and analyzes your physical fitness so you know whether your fitness is improving or is lacking. For the features, we give it a 4 out of 5. If Xiaomi is able to add the GPS to this fitness band in the next Mi Band 5, this could possibly be the best fitness band. Xiaomi claimed that the Mi Band 4 has a battery life of 20 days, but that is at the minimal settings. But if you turn on most of the functions and set the heart rate settings to automatic and turn on all the notifications, it can last about 10 days or a little bit more. But so far, 10 days is good compared to most fitness bands in the market at this price range. Usually lasts about 5 days. So 10 days is awesome. Keeping the water rating at 5 ATM from its predecessor, that rating is great enough for this price point to have such rating. Even Xiaomi added a pool swim tracking on the activities that it can track. It can track your distance and you can customize the pool length as well. We will update this video with some clickable links for the swim test for this Mi Band 4, so stay tuned. So would this be a good upgrade for your Mi Band 3? Like me, if you didn't like the beveled screen and you like it fully colored and you like changing watch faces, yes, this is a good upgrade. If you're into swimming and you want a budget fitness tracker, this one's for you. If you find this review useful, please do give us a favor and give this video a like. And share this with your friends. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, click that subscribe button now. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified on our next videos. Now, do you think this Mi Band 4 is worth the upgrade to your Mi Band 3? Or would you want to wait for the Mi Band 5? Comment down below your thoughts and maybe share us any idea what you want to see in the next Mi Band 5 version. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.